Hey guys, I will try to make this video as quick and as short and sweet as I can. So probably by now you know that I have had my big break through affiliate marketing, with affiliate marketing and content creation as well, promoting my products through content, and not my products per se, but my affiliate links, promoting my affiliate links through content creation. And I just want to share a few, like three things, or three things that can help you to win as an affiliate marketer, especially if you're a beginner. As a beginner, these are things, just three things, because I want to make this as short as I can. So yeah, I know that you're longing to make a difference with affiliate marketing. You are really eager to make it with affiliate marketing, but you're feeling lost and overwhelmed. I think this also I'm speaking to just like digital marketing as a whole, you know. So yeah, you're feeling lost and overwhelmed and confused because you know what, something weird is going on. Oh, all right. Yeah, I found it. But you do not need to worry, because I decided to create this channel for beginners, for you and I, for people who were like me when I started, people who did not know what they were doing, people who just clicked how to make money online, and they found all these confusing things a lot. You started something, you tried it, it failed. You tried this, it failed. You tried affiliate marketing, you're failing. But I tell you, affiliate marketing is the easy goal. Is one of the simplest ways that you can make money online. Yeah, I just want to tell you, do not give up. Just keep on keeping on, because you know what, I made mistakes myself. I made all the mistakes. I had all the confusion, all the doubts and all that. And you do not have to go through all that. You do not have to, because that is why I'm here to share with you what I learned. And I want you to hear this, because yeah, I'm here for you, you know. First and foremost, I want you to remember that success in affiliate marketing is not about selling products. You know, it's not about marketing your links. It's not about marketing and selling and just wanting people to buy and click and all that. It is about building a relationship with your audience. That is one thing you need to know. It's about building a relationship, being connected with your audience, being there for them, you know, understanding them. Treat your followers like friends, even if you do not have any. As you're starting out, that one person you're talking to, that is your friend. Those three people, those are your friends. Treat them like your friends. Talk to them like they are your friends, you know, like how you talk to your friends, you know. Share with them. Like if your friend comes to you with a problem, how do you treat them, right? You treat them with compassion, you treat them with care, you care for them, you give them good advice, you give them the right information and the right advice. That is how you need to treat your followers or people who are watching you. You need to provide them with a valuable content that will enrich their lives, right? Because with affiliate marketing, you need to know what people want right before you start anything. So you finding information about what people want and you use that to your advantage, not in a not in a bad way. Yeah, you use it to your advantage by helping them, by treating them like, you know, they are your loved ones, and then enriching their lives, bettering their lives. Be genuine, be authentic, and be consistent in your effort. You know, always show up, be real to them, be authentic. If you need to be vulnerable to them, you know. So yeah, that is the first thing that I want you to understand about affiliate, or about the, you know, just about marketing online. And the second thing is that you need to take the time to understand your audience. You need to understand their needs. You need to take your time to understand the people that you're speaking to, or the people that you are marketing, or you want to sell to, or you want to click your links. You need to understand their needs. What are they searching for? What are their problems, right? Like I said in my first advice to you, is that you need to you know, to love them, to cherish them, right? And then before that, you need to know them. What are their problems? What are they trying to solve by themselves, that you can chip in and say, you know what, I'm here and I'm going to help you. So you need to know them and their problems. By knowing your audience inside and out, you can tailor your marketing strategies to meet their specific desires. Now this is now to your advantage. You just tailoring to what you're just going where they want you to go, right? Because you can do this with the help of tools and softwares. If you're like doing YouTube, you can go ahead and just get help from VidIQ, TubeBuddy, whatever you're doing content, maybe on TikTok. Just go ahead and look at your audience statistics and all that, those kind of information. That is what you can also do. Form you can create a form where you can ask questions, ask them questions, let them answer you and give you ideas of what you can work with. And then lastly, never give up. Never give up. This is my last advice to you. I'll tell you, you should never give up, and never get tired of connecting, never get tired of building relationships, never get tired if it's posting. Maybe if you're doing affiliate marketing through this content, you never get tired of building relationships, never get tired of trying new things, trying whatever is coming up, jump into that, do all that, be there. Don't be tired, be consistent, show up all the times. That is also a biggest mistake that I did. Like, I got so tired, like I gave up. I gave up so many times. I got so tired, I'm like, I cannot do this is too much, this is just overwhelming. And that was one big mistake that made me be stuck in one place for a long time. And I want to tell you that you do not need to be there. You do not need to reach that point of giving up. You just go ahead. Success online doesn't happen overnight. It's not a get rich quick scheme. I always emphasize on this, like, do not fall for the get rich quick stuff. Do not fall for that. Just know that success doesn't come overnight. All those big people you're seeing right now, they started from the ground. They started where you are. They started from zero, and they managed to pull out. They managed to have their big break. So it might not make sense because you do not see the cents coming in. You do not see the dollars coming in, but it will one day make sense, and you are going to be so proud of yourself for not giving up. So just know that there will be challenges along the way, that there will be obstacles, there will be challenges, there will be, but always remember that every obstacle is an opportunity to learn and to grow. It's an opportunity for you to learn. Like, if you do not have obstacle here, you're not going to know what mistakes you made and how to correct them. So just know that it is a stepping stone, it is a stepping ground for you to learn and to grow in that. And you need to just stay committed, just stay positive and stay focused on your goals, guys. I'm just here as a friend, just to share with you, lift you up, and we go. So believe in yourself and trust in your abilities. With passion, with determination and perseverance, you can win as an affiliate marketer. I don't want to sell myself short, so that's why I always say affiliate marketer. You will win as an affiliate marketer. No matter where you join in your journey, right? You don't feel like you are behind, or you are in the journey later, or wherever the position you are in right now. That is where you are supposed to be. That is where you are meant to be in this moment, and you need to go and to walk with that. You need to embrace that period and just start moving forward and just start going, and you'll see that you are going to reap the results of hard work and the results of perseverance and never giving up. So until the next video, do please go ahead and check just a playlist of the stuff that I learned while I was trying to make money online, and all the other videos where I share the where I share remote job websites, where I share AI side hustles and all that. So until the next one. This ended up being long. I don't know why. because I tend to ramble. I need to fix that about myself. I tend to ramble so much. I tend to speak too much, which I'm not supposed to, you know. I just need to be straight to the point, you know. But I'll try. Until the next one. Bye.